A tax refund is a welcome bonus for many families. If you're expecting a refund this year, it is important to consider all your options before deciding how the extra money should be used. Financial experts say that paying off credit card debt is one of the smartest things you can do. Tackle your cards with the highest interest rates first and pay them off entirely if possible. Some people wonder if it makes more sense to pay off any outstanding installment loans, such as an auto or personal loan. There are several reasons why this is not the best option. Unlike credit cards, installment loans have set terms and payments. You know exactly how much you have to pay each month. And as long as you keep making on-time payments, your interest rates will not go up. Credit cards offer no such stability. Annual percentage rates on credit cards may increase at any time. Unless you pay significantly more than your minimum amount due, your balance can stay virtually stagnant. Use your extra dollars wisely and make your refund work for you.